It's Clutter Entertainment, man. I just wanted to give everyone a look inside of what I do. You know what I mean? Let's check this out. So, what we got here? What I want to do is I want to get rid of this couch and I want to make this whole area look like just a plain room. And I think I'm going to try to get this here plant on the other side as well. So what I'm gonna do all this in 3D paint, and I'm gonna show you that everything exists in creativity here. You know what I mean? Everything you see is step-by-step creativity. You don't need all these elaborate. I get it, everything's easier, but you don't need all these elaborate things. You know what I mean? So let's get into it here. So I'm gonna right-click on this photo. All right. And I'm gonna bring this shit in here, and I'm gonna be like, shit, how the hell are we gonna edit this? So the first thing I wanna do,
Hear me